Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some super fun leopard nail designs. Get a fun animal print look with these leopard nail design. Any are you looking for spice up your nails? Then you should try an animal print manicure. One of my absolute favorite animal print design for nails is leopard nails. If you have never tried leopard print nails, I highly recommend it. It's a chic statement making and a little bit edgy while still being sophisticated and classy. When you think of leopard print nails, you may be thinking of just the regular brown and tan classic leopard print look, but there are many other ways to wear this look, which I'll share here. Also, leopard print nails are ideal for any nails length, as you will see. To help you find the perfect leopard print nail, look here is a list of leopard print nails designed for short and long nails. One of my favorite leopard print design nail that you may not have thought of a black leopard print. This is perfect if you like to use darker nail polish when doing your nails. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. It's also great for fall and winters in general. You can create a gorgeous leopard print nail look with the white and black nail polish, and you can spice up the look even more by using sparkly nail polish as C. Another of my favorite leopard print nail design for a short nail and is a pinkish nude leopard print look as shown in this video. You will love this look if you use more subtle nail polish color when doing your nails. And if you want something a little more statement making, use glitter as shown in the video. You love it. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.